Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at a famous American classic, Yellow Rose of Texas, on a diatonic harmonica. Here's what the Yellow Rose of Texas looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 8 twice. Blow into 6 twice. Blow into 8 twice. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 8. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 6. Blow into 5. Blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2, so let's move on to phrase 7. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 9 4 times. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 7, blow into 6, and blow into 8. Breathe in through 8, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. Blow into 7. Blow into 5 twice. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 10 is exactly the same as phrase 2 and phrase 6, so let's move on to phrase 11. Blow into 6 twice. Blow into 8 4 times. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 12 is exactly the same as phrase 4, so let's move on to phrase 13. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. Blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 6 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 14, blow into 6. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 15, blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 9 4 times. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 16, breathe in through 8. blow into 7 twice, blow into 6, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, and blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. Remember to look out for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I'll show you how to play this in the lower part of your harmonica. Only in that tutorial we will use bends. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.